Do you ever hear a constant ringing in your ears, even when everything around you is silent? You're not imagining it. And you're definitely not alone. Tinnitus affects more than 25 million people in the United States alone. And for many, it's more than just a mild annoyance. It can interfere with sleep, focus, and peace of mind. You may have tried white noise machines, eardrops, even changed your diet. But the ringing just won't stop. But what if I told you the real reason for tinnitus might not be in your ears at all? Recent scientific findings are challenging everything we thought we knew. In fact, researchers are now looking at how certain brain signals and neural inflammation could be the hidden culprits, not ear damage, as we once believed. And the most shocking part? There might be a way to naturally calm those signals and finally experience relief. If you're tired of temporary fixes and want to understand what could really be causing your tinnitus, there's a short video that explains this breakthrough in simple terms. It's helped thousands of people finally understand what's happening inside their brain and how they may be able to silence the ringing for good. Click the link in the description to watch the video now. It might change everything you thought you knew about tinnitus relief. Take back your quiet. Watch it now while it's still available.